Jerk. God, my man. I'm kicking the nuts, fucker. Motherfucker, I'm picking you up.
Yo, Prisciliano, what are you doing, Prisciliano? What are you doing?
God, get on my ass, Look, I was talking to my fucking parents. Fucking dick. Yeah, they're having a football right now.
You alright, Prisciliano?
Yeah?
It's all love,
I
alright?
wasn't even
You
sleeping.
can't sleep either, right?
Huh?
I
No.
can't go to sleep, dude.
I tried.
I was fucking studying those abbreviations for a while. Oh, you wrote them down?
Yo, this is episode 1 of Bothering Prisciliano.